Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing another battle of. I do have a few videos in this series that I've done. I did the Too Faced mascara versus the Stila mascara. I've done Benefit versus Benefit for their mascaras. I've even done Benefit against Benefit for their brow products. So today we're going to throw Maybelline against Maybelline. This is the Falsies Mascara. This is what they call the Washable Falsies Mascara. I love this stuff. The wand is weird, but it does amazing things to my lashes. This one here, unfortunately, is dying, but I love it. So I ended up picking up the Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express Flared Mascara not that long ago. I have yet to use this on my lashes, so why not compare the two against each other? From what I understand, both brushes are the same. The formula is just a little bit different, so I'm gonna put one on one eye and one on the other eye. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so that you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so this is the Maybelline Falsies, and this is the Falsies Flared. I just got it on my thumb. Hello, you got, it's got a bloopy at the end to get off of that. That's all I need is one of those, and then the next thing I know, I've got bloopy on my nose. Oh, okay, who decorated my leg? Disgusting. It's on my leg. Ew. I have black marks on my leg. Okay, let's set you guys down. Get the wands going the right direction. Thankfully the lid to the other one has these like wings on it. Okay, so side by side, I think the flared one is a little bit thicker of a wand. Okay, so this one here is the flared, this one here is the regular Falsies. The wand on the flared one looks a little bit thicker, but they are both shaped. Okay, so there they are side by side. The bottom one is the flared. So they are shaped almost identical. It's just the flared one, which is this one down here, is a little bit thicker. Okay. Now to put them on my lashes. And this is kind of a wet formula, just so you know. I usually start with the brush with the concave spot going up. Eyebrow here, it's like going haraboids on me. I just re-dipped it because it was drying out. Let me put the other one back in its tube while I play with one eye. Now, I didn't curl my lashes at all. It's just the mascara. And then I'll flip it over. All right. So there's the Falsies side. Now let's do the Volume Express Flared on the other side. Again, starting with the concave section up. This one does smell different. It smells almost like a soybean. All right, now I'm gonna flip the brush over. Alright, so here is the flared side. And then try and get as close as I can so you can see both of them together. Okay, so this is the washable versus the flared. Grab my hand mirror. I think this side looks a little thicker, but they're both, this one's nice and separated. They both look about the same length. Trying to find something white to stick behind my lashes so you can see them. Hope I can see what the hell I was doing. Perfume smells good though. Yep, I like that one. It smells great. What side is that? Lift to experience drunk on youth. Yep, I like that. It says an energetic blend of honeysuckle and crisp apple. Yep, what's this one here? I like that. The other side smells a little girly. Alright, let me zoom you guys back out. So what do you guys think? I mean, I love the mascara, so don't get me wrong, this is not one of those like, let's see which one fails. No, because this mascara does amazing things to my lashes. I do not like it when my lashes are like clumped together, stuck together, or like, I like a lash that is lengthened, defined. I don't like it when mascara like takes 3 or 4 individual hairs and goes, I don't like that. I don't like spider lashes. I don't like clumpy lashes. I don't like flaky lashes. This stuff does amazing things to my lashes, but it doesn't like flake off onto my face. It doesn't fall throughout the day. What curl you see in my lashes now will stay until I wash this mascara off. I can get a few drops of water on it. I can get caught in the rain with it. It doesn't really affect it too much once it's dry. I don't find that it transfers. I don't have issues with it falling all over my cheeks. And I do have very high predominant cheekbones, so that's another thing. With most mascaras, I get fallout everywhere. I have naturally long lashes. They're nice and full. Usually with the shape of most mascara wands with that stupid hourglass thing, I end up with mascara all the way up here because if you look, my lashes reach my brow bone. So that's another thing that I find that this mascara doesn't do. It doesn't transfer onto my eyelids the way that the wand is shaped. I don't usually get like mascara right along here like I do with other mascaras. This stuff is amazing. I really like it. I think they're like $8. I will leave them linked down below. So as for me, they're both a winner. I just wish this one wasn't drying out. This is one that I got as one of those, like, Maybelline was asking people to review the mascaras or try them and review them. I love this stuff. Maybelline sent this to me for free. They don't know who I am. It was just somebody that filled out a questionnaire to get one of these to test out. And this is amazing. My mom what was it, CoverGirl? Maybe it was Maybelline. The tube that had like the green square lid and the pink bottom. My mom used that all the years when I was growing up, and that was a really good mascara. I think they still make it. And that one does amazing things to my lashes too. All these new fandangled mascaras that have those hourglass shaped ones I can't use due to the fact that I have partially deep set eyes. My eyes are downturned. I have hooded eyes. So whenever even if I look down and try and apply mascara, I always end up getting mascara here and on my brow bone. So those are like detractors for me with mascaras. Also the stink, the way that mascaras stink. This one here, it has like a light sunscreen smell. This one here, smells like a soybean. That's it. Some mascaras, I go to put them on my eyes, and the fragrance that comes off of them is so overpowering, it makes my eyes immediately water. Like the ABH Brow Gel, this stuff smells like straight up fingernail polish to me. And it makes my eyes, if I get it too close to my eye when I'm doing the tail of my brows, it makes my eyes water and itch and burn and run, and yeah, and it leaves my eyebrows super crunchy, and I don't like that either. So 2 reviews in 1. Anyways, this was the first time that I had tried the Maybelline flared mascara. Again, I'm glad that it has the wings on it. Not like I wouldn't be able to tell one of them is metallic and one of them is not. So let me know. I will leave a poll in the top corner. Let me know what you like better, the flared or the regular, the Falsies one. And vote on it up there. And you can also leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Definitely leave me a comment and let me know if you like them both or if you like one eye over the other. I don't usually like build my mascara up like some people. They'll put mascara on and then they'll wait in a minute and go back over it again after their lashes are a little bit drier. I don't usually do that. I usually swipe it on, do my bottom lashes, go on to my next eye, do the bottom lashes, and done. That's it. That's what I do to my lashes. So I want something that's going to coat my lashes, make them dark from root to tip, and make them a little bit lengthened, a little bit thicker. That's basically all I'm looking for. I'm not looking for like super curling effect or waterproof or any of the other like claims that they make, like 4,000 extra volume. Please, no. If I want something like that, I will throw on a pair of Kiss lashes or Ardell lashes and call it a day. But I think this mascara does give me the effect of false looking lashes, so I like that. Anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.